We started taking off and I couldn't tell we were off the ground. We started going up and then we took our little turn and then he let me control it a little bit. And that was pretty fun. Once you're off the ground, like all the fear kind of just left me.
A lot of the kids, they really enjoyed this over the years. And one reason I think it's just inspiring for them. They realize that it seems like such a big thing, and how could you ever do it? And so it really shows them that they're capable of all these, they have these skills that they didn't know that they had, and that they're capable of working through this whole project and really producing something. And there's just tons of real world skills they can apply to almost any aspect of life, even if they don't go into aviation.